Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did these Mickey Mouse holiday nails. And I'm also going to be doing a review on this Saviland Polygel kit. Saviland sent this to me to try out and review, but all opinions are still my own. I hope you enjoy and let's get into it. Before we get into that, I wanted to quickly mention that I'm hosting a holiday raffle for the chance to win 5 custom press-on sets. There are 25 available spots. To preserve a spot, it's $10 to enter. In your Cash App memo, let me know which number you'd like. You can also DM me on Instagram if you have any questions or to keep up with which numbers are available. Good luck to anyone that decides to enter, and now back to the nails. This Saviland Polygel is from Amazon. It's currently priced at $25.99. I'll link it down below if you're interested. It comes with a little booklet of instructions and a product catalog. It also comes with some dual forms. These are your standard curved dual forms. It comes with some normal nail forms. These ones actually surprised me. I'll definitely be trying them out in the future. And it comes with a little bottle of slip solution, a double-ended polygel brush. These are pretty standard. You also get 2 little bottles of gel base and top coat. You get a nail file. And lastly, you get 7 polygels. I also wanted to mention I really like the little Christmas images on the tubes. I think they're so cute. Let's get into swatching. Here's the first color in the shade Pumpkin. Our next color is Christmas Red. Then we have Black. We have White. Christmas Green, and it's a really pretty glitter. We have Christmas Gold, another glitter shade. And lastly, Glitter Silver. Here are all the swatches. I already have my tips on. And I'm just going to start with laying the black color on my thumb. This one was pretty easy to squeeze out. I'm just going to start patting this into place. It's so far pretty easy to work with. Polygel is pretty perfect for beginners because it allows you to take all the time that you need to mold it into place. You don't need to worry about the product curing while you work, unlike acrylic. And when you finally have it how you like, you can pop it in the lamp and you'll be good to go. Now I'm taking this red color and putting that on my pointer nail. I decided to go with the colors red, black, white, and gold. I think these will go perfectly with our characters later on. I'm going to do both the middle and ring finger in white. This one was actually a little bit harder to squeeze out. For some reason, it was a little bit stiffer than the others, but it was fine. Lastly, I'm using the gold color for the pinky nail, and I'm just going to mold that now. So here they are all cured before filing. I wanted to point out that after curing, I did notice these little white marks on some of the nails. I think these are probably from the slip solution. I'm going to try filing and see if that gets rid of them. So here they all are filed and shaped. I'm going to apply a base coat to prep for the nail art. You can still see some of the marks, but they aren't as bad as they were before. Surprisingly, you can really see it against the white nails. Starting the nail art, I'm going to be doing some Christmas lights on the pinky nail, starting with black, and I'm just draping it down the nail. And now I'm painting the little lights. These are super simple. Starting with red, I'm also going to be doing blue, green, and yellow. Now I'm outlining each one in black. And lastly, I'm adding a little white highlight. Now onto the character paintings. I'm starting with Minnie Mouse. I start by getting a rough outline in white of where I think I might want things to go. I'm not too uptight about getting this part perfect. This just helps me to get an idea of the proportions. Now I'm starting to fill in the main areas, getting the face color. Now some of the red Santa hat and outfit. With a brown color, I'm lightly getting an outline for the face down. We're still in the beginning stages, so you just have to trust the process. I like to cure as I go, so I'm always adjusting and tweaking things. I'm filling in the head with black. And I'm adjusting the details now, just trying to perfect them a little bit more. I go back and forth with our colors. Also, for anyone who's wondering, I use the Beetles nail art brushes, and I also like using the Beetles gel polish as well. I get everything from Amazon and it's super affordable, so I'll try to link down below everything that I used today, just in case if you're interested. I slowly start working in some more details, doing the eyes and the mouth. Painting in the little eyelashes. And we're just about done. I'm filling in the white areas on her Santa outfit. I'm adding some shading by taking a little bit of a grayish black color and some clear to diffuse it. I also added some shading to the face as well. I took a brown color and diffused it with clear to help it blend. And I think we're done with that one. Now onto the second character nail, we're doing Mickey. And I'm just following that same process. I start with a really loose outline and work out all of the proportions. Now I'm filling in the face area. And now onto the red Christmas hat and clothes. I'm just filling in all the elements now to help work out the details later. With a brown, I'm getting the face down. These beginning stages are always really rough. It's pretty funny to see them looking like this. It always just looks so ridiculous. Again, just trust the process. Now I'm filling in the black around the head and ears. With the same tone from earlier, I'm adjusting those details now and covering up some spots that I didn't like. I paint in his little nose, and now I'm adding some shading to the white parts. And finally detailing the eyes. I also added some shading with brown and clear. I added a little highlight to his nose. Finally painting in his mouth. and dotting some little highlights on his eyes. And now I'm detailing his gloves, and I think we're just about done with him. I'm going to top coat him now. On the red nail, I just kept it really simple with a candy cane design. I started with 4 thick stripes spaced out, and then I went in with a thin stripe underneath each one. So now that that's done, onto our thumbnail, I'm just going to be doing a really simple snowflake design. I do my snowflakes super easy. I start with getting the lines down, then with a dotting tool I go in and do 3 dots on each line. I'm going to be doing that for both of them. And once I'm done with that, I also add in some random dots as well. We're finally done, and now it's time to top coat all of the nails. So here's how the nails came out. I think they came out really cute. The Polygel kit was super easy to work with. The only critique that I have of it are those white streaks that we saw earlier. I'm wondering if we used a different slip solution, if that would affect the results. Other than that, they were really easy to work with, and I really love the holiday theme. I do really love how the nails came out. I think they came out super cute. Let me know what other holiday sets you guys would like to see next. I really hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.